Welcome. I'm so sorry. I have to go for some nature call, some emergency, which I can't able to. I think I can say that, but maybe someone get offended by that. So let's start that. Uh, okay. Where is I am? Okay. Here's I am. I have to change everything to English. Whatever. First of all, the photos has a div and it has some input. So I don't want to use that kind of thing there. I have to change it because sometimes any inputs in say in somewhere can actually get caught up in this form. I don't want to use anything in this form, so I will make photos app do different thing. Uh, I have found. Somebody just called me right now and I I have to pick up their phone. So sorry. अभी नहीं प्रॉब्लम है बिल्कुल मैं अभी किसी और काम लगा मैं थोड़ा सा फ्री हो जाता हूँ तो 9 बजे आप कर सकते हैं client call me and give me time for 2 p.m. and at 2 p.m. exactly 2 p.m. I call okay you like to discuss everything and then he just said okay I right now I don't have time, let's fix for 5 p.m. 5 p.m. happened and still don't reply, and I actually message him what's about that, but he doesn't reply. Now it's he replying I can't do most of work. It's like that. I'm flow get broken, then it doesn't look very easy, I will say. Flow should not get broken. So first of all, I will set everything in template. I think template is better. First make a div and then put template around that. Maybe that's a good idea. Maybe not. Who's know? Yes. And then put a template around that. Maybe just use template around this only. So I should use template around this only. And mm, and maybe I should use a div again for some data and functions. So it's actually response this button and actually set do something that I want to do. Probably I think that will be. Let's go to Alpine.js because I don't think at the rate is actually translating very well on click. So let's see Alpine.js. Actually I do something there, but it doesn't work sometime later. After last stream, uh, I like to do this again and check because there is x on click, there is x on click, but I can use @click, and sometimes it doesn't work. Let's try this. Maybe it does work, because sometimes it's work, sometimes doesn't work. It's happened, I will say that. And I'm so x data, um show. I don't have to use this probably, and false. And if there is a click, let's see the button how it's doing that. It has HTML attribute. Okay, if there is a HTML attribute, that's mean it's going to pick up every attributes. Let's see it's pick up my attribute of @click. So there is a click attribute, which is what will be that. it gonna it's just gonna show. So actual this probably like that. First of all, I have to check it. It work like how it's work like, because sometimes I just doesn't know, and I have to check before doing anything. So first tailwind, no tailwind, Alpine. I'm just so Alpine JS and 7 close, 7 close. So it's doesn't working and toggle background. Let's see. There's a function there. Open. So actually there's a button there, but it just goes okay. It we don't have that thing, so it's going to use exif, and it's going to say something like show is equal to, if exif is equal to show, so it just check show is what I'll say is equal to toggle. It's going to toggle that is equal to, I think maybe it's like, no, it's not like, it's like that, uh show something like that. I have again no idea. Sometimes something works, sometimes doesn't work. Okay, so first of all, if I click select image, oh, it doesn't work anything, doesn't anything doesn't work here. Let's see the select image thing and see there is a click there. Yes, there is a click, but it doesn't work. Show is false. If you go to alpinezone.js, show is false, and if you're going to enable that, there's all photo, but all photo doesn't do anything. OMG, it has do something that I don't have to do, because basically this is I just mixing the bootstrap and alpine.js, because I'm using bootstrap because sometimes some component is very easily available, but I slowly I get sorry website getting more complicated, and bootstrap is getting more of a issue, because it has kind of limited thing and it is not easy to understand. let's see first of all let's see first of all what is do. If I make it so in click, okay, it's do something. Okay, so first of all I have to refresh that and go to add and select image, uh, and it's still false. How it's still false? Maybe I have to change this. I have to click twice and it has nothing in it. What the hell happened? It has nothing in it. OMG, it has nothing in it. What just happened? Where's OMG? It has nothing in it. If I just select once and leave it alone and select twice, it has a backend, but it doesn't do anything. It's a paid show thing and it has nothing. How interesting. The thing is, it has this and no, it has something like that, and it has nothing about that also. I have to do something here and there, because I have to use Alpine now, because Alpine make my life little bit easier. I will say that, but on the same end, if I'm going to use Bootstrap, it will be for basic site. It will be more easier. But as the project get little bit tough or long, it's actually kind of sometimes tiring to do many things. There is all photo thing, but all photo has nothing. There is any all photo there? Maybe, maybe not. So it's there, but it's like that. And let's go there, and it is show all photo. Where is all photo? So there is all photo, and there is select image. Whoa, why there is a two thing there? Oh, there is a two thing. Why there is a two thing there? I can't able to wrap my head around that. Oh, there is a dark or not dark. Okay, 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 okay. This is very much intentionally I done that because some one is for uh dark background like that. So now it's this and other one for dark background. You will understand this is about the theme. So first of all, there's a folder and data all and nothing in here. It's referring to database. Database. I just uh, I just realized database. Uh, so sometimes you have to enjoy the small things. Database target and it's actually area level by uh, all photos except show, but it doesn't do anything here. It's document fragmentation and it's like that. If x is equal to show, is it true now? Show is true. Let's make it show is true now. So maybe I have to make it double is equal to true. So okay, maybe it's work now. Who can know? Sometimes it's work, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't work this time. Okay, maybe I have to do something else. No, I have to complete that. Maybe I should use template inside that. Okay, I am going to use this template inside it. So maybe it's changed something because sometimes things happen. But I have no idea what's going to happen next to where. So maybe now this time this work. Okay, it's not working anywhere. It's something just happened. I, I I'm just thinking that this is like the photos, which is where like this is area level by that. It has everything in it. It's going to show only when it's true. Now it should work, but it doesn't. Maybe I just okay. It doesn't work again. First of all, let's go to and select image, and there is a thing. There is all photo deval and there is fragmentation. It should work like that, but it's not working like that. What has that? What is it? What's just happened here? Let make it more div because sometimes if you throw more div, it's just work. Really, sometimes it's happen, but only sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't happen, and it just takes your time and time and time, and nothing just. Nothing worked to something like that. It's not. Why is that deep? Maybe this time it will work. Let's hope. It doesn't. It doesn't work again. Uh, it's going to, because this is the thing that I'm going to show. Um, now I'm thinking, why should I come back? I should sleep a little bit more. Let's check the YouTube. Maybe I can do something there. Let's see what he talk about now. He gonna, if he have, he not gonna say anything about that also. It's working, live working there, but it's doesn't enable that. Why it doesn't work? I know something happened, something bad happened. I just don't get it. Okay, so something bad about this expression, and okay, so its issue is this. Issue is this. Probably whatever happened. Let's make it everything undo. First of all, remove. Let's make it everything undo. Okay, and go to categories because it's saying there is some issue with categories. Let's see the what is issue with X data here. So first of all, the forum, and actually I'm not using the forum, so uh, I should remove that. So I remove that. Invalid arrow function argument. What is the arrow function argument there? Submit prevent category fetch, first fetch and then fetch and then data. Okay, okay, so that's the issue. Cause I think this is it. I think this is the issue. Okay, there's no issue now. Probably it's going to work. Okay, it's definitely is going to work, but another thing is it going to submit that? No, it's not going to submit that. Oh, okay, it's not going to submit that. And let's make it whatever that we create little bit before. So I'm going to save that and refresh that. I'm going to add select image and voila, it's again broken. Okay, I have to do something here. First of all, it is a this kind of thing. So okay, my bad. Okay, it still work, not work. It still don't work. Click actually works here, but it doesn't work anyways still. Cause I don't want anything like any button here to. Okay, I can do like that maybe. There is a photo there and there is a foam here. I can just make it everything kind of okay. I can make it. It's go away. I can make it go away. Why should I go in? I let it go everything. I can just make it. This go away. Uh, with that, with template and okay, maybe this work, maybe not. Who know? So add select image. Okay, it's work. It's work. So if I go to select and services, submit and again it doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Fetch command. It doesn't run that. First of all, if I go there and check everything about it and check for okay, there is a okay and there is everything is hidden about. So okay, there's nothing in it. There is no input in it, so it's going to not going to uh, like it's going to have any issue with any other element of that. Let's make it refresh this again and add to cart and select image, which is going to select image very easily and going to services and let's check the alpine.js. So okay, I get everything there. Okay, there's a services. Why is not getting submitted? Where is I'm doing anything wrong? Because maybe I'm okay. Maybe I'm not using uh at the rate submit prevent rightly. So maybe let's see. First of all, there should be no there will be nothing like that there, and I should remove this uh here. So it's more of in div. It's actually most of the time I see that in div. It's not in everywhere else. So let's go to network. I think this time it will work. Yeah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work again in at that time also. So I have to make it something, make it appear here because I have no idea why it's not working. And console doesn't showing any error. Oh, sorry, there is something nan there. Uh, why it's nan appearing? Let's see on view page source. Maybe I just use nan. There's nothing nan in the whole page. So how it's appear? Let's make it refresh, and there's nothing there. And if you go to and select that image, why there is manager and अरे मैं देखता हूँ अभी मुझे काम कर रहा हूँ यार. It still has some issue. Reference to manager categories. I मैं पापा मैं जो देखने तो मैं देख लूँगा. Okay, on the this button, it's go to nan. Why it's go to nan? I have no idea about that. Maybe this button has a type of button. And yes, it is a type of button. So I should work like that. Maybe okay. Let's use this also type as a button. So basically, every type is button. If it is a button, so let's go to button and let's see how many button are there. No, not much to be fair. So every button is type button, so it's not going to submit everything that we type. uh, it's just going to close that. But why it's whenever I click the select image, it's going to nan. Why it's nan there? And it's saying it's actually coming from referral this. And how it's nan there? It's probably something about Alpine. Alpine has a such a issue sometime. Let's use something else. Maybe Alpine has, maybe not, because I actually have many issues with Alpine previously also. That is the only reason I go to Bootstrap, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. It doesn't feel like it has anything is going around for a stable thing to choose. So again, why is that this is nan there? And why is nan there? Is it about photo image? Let's just remove that. Let's just remove that and see what's happened. Okay, it doesn't remove, getting removed very easily. So let's just make it remove, because why we can't, we can do whatever we want to do. So it's missing now. And it is true, it's going to missing because I am actually messing with it. So let's do it now. And select image. And okay, again it's missing about that also. So let make it small and remove that. Maybe it's work, maybe it doesn't work. Add select image, and voila, and there is no nan there. So issue will be in this. And why it's nan there, I have no idea. Basically it's yes, there is something, I think the document query issue there. So if a single, then dq photo single image. Oh, okay, I think I have to make it, I have to sleep a little bit to understand this. Something I do something wrong. That's 100%, I think so. Should be true, but I do wrong, I don't know. And even if I know, I probably not going to make it appear. I already know that. Select image, and it's not. So it is not about my single image. Let's check about multi. Okay, it's not about it also. Let's check over this. So okay, it's about that. Is it is about this. So first of all, there is no model there. So I have to make sure I actually set some kind of model there so it actually work that way. So let's make it happen. Categories, and categories has a photo ID. So it's just update this photo ID there, and for that we have to make it happen it like where is the photo ID? This is a photo ID. So we have to make it photo ID, and then it's like photo ID is equal to this, or and this work like this way. On track delete is equal to false. Okay, I have no idea again about this. Photo will be in a array now, because photo is me. I just create a length issue. So double is equal to 0, then it's going to show me that. And if I select image, nan, I will it's about this. It's about, I think it's about this. No, it's not about this. I think this is about that. Okay, this is about this, but where is the nan there? Maybe I just have to search it here. There is no nan here. So, uh, something I just forget about that here. Why is no nan there? And let's check SRC. There's no SRC there. So, second SRC, third SRC, fourth, and this is also ASRC. So maybe it's about WebP. But thing is, that's a really bad idea to address this issue here. I think so. Mm, it seems very easy, but sometime something happen, and it's going to happen. Everything gets screwed, and that's a life, I will say. And like services, and if I go to console and submit that, nothing happen. Maybe I have to do something here, so it's actually work. So categories have something like but still, why there's a nan there? I have no idea why is there is nan. uh, if I search in the image, totally image, maybe we should search on, no, I can't. It should not have anything else. So if I do that also, that this also doesn't solve anything. So uh, I have no idea why it's not found and why it's actually appearing here. So it should get submit, but its submit button doesn't work. There is no error here. It is about this nan, but I don't know why it's here. And if you go to forum, and forum has a submit prevent fetch, let's see, maybe something is there. So x on submit dot prevent, so there is something like that here. And if go that and make it like maybe I should make it some action, add some action there. So like no, it's not preventive listener project double reject. Okay, maybe why there is action there? If because why still why? Maybe I should use some action there also. Maybe this don't work. Maybe this work. I don't have again any idea what is going to work here and there. Okay, what just happened here? Okay, this is double double is equal to something that things happen and services submit and nothing happen here. And why it's nothing happening? We should call the fetch function and just run the fetch function. Ah, photo ID and services, it should get submitted. Maybe it has some kind of a loop kind of things here and there. So issue is that let's just hope this work. It still don't have any kind of error here and there. What is that? Hmm. I don't have to consider that right now. Services, service, submit, submit. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. I have to remove that also. Maybe a bath make me refresh everything about that. Maybe stop the recording.